piece of paper. Fold it in half. Glide your scissors along the edge to make it crisp. Repeat with other pieces of paper. Now you want to measure where you're going to put the holes for the binding. I measured 2.5 inches in on each side. For the binding, you're going to need string or thread of some type. You're going to string it through the inside of the binding so you can't see the tie. Tie it tight with a knot. I chose a heavier paper for my journal cover. It is 1 inch longer on each side than my journal paper. I'm going to measure out my corners so that I can cut them out. This is so that they can fold into my journal. You can see here that I measured out my corners as little squares. Now I'm going to cut out my corners so that they're easier to fold into. This is really helpful, especially because I use thicker paper. Now I'm going to fold my journal right in half. Again, I'm using my scissors to flatten it. And now I place my journal and it fits perfectly inside. I'm currently folding down every edge of my paper with my scissors to flatten them before I glue down onto my final journal cover. These sides are 1 inch and they will flatten onto my journal cover. Now my journal fits right inside. I'm going to cut a slit so that it folds in on the binding. And now I'm going to grab my glue stick. I glue onto the journal. And then I press down. After you glue down, you can use those scissors again to apply pressure onto your journal cover. Repeat this process on the other side, and after you have done that, you have created your own journal.